Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am glad you're here. For today's video, we will be going over the window sticker and all the things that came on my truck. Every truck is different. They're gonna have different things. Sometimes the dealer will add stuff on. Other things will be, like premium package and stuff. That is something that's actually Toyota decides to put that on there where the dealer doesn't really have a say. So we'll be going through my vehicle, my Tacoma, what it came with, what I think was actually worth the extra money, and what I would have taken off of it had I had a choice. So we're not going to go through, the price of the total vehicle. I do have another video on that where I break down the total MSRP and taxes and fees and what I actually paid. So if you are looking for that, there is another video on my channel that has that in it. But today we'll solely be focusing on what came with my truck. I'll talk about it and then actually show you it on the truck, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we'll start off here. The first thing listed on here is the audio multimedia upgrade. Includes the 14-inch Toyota audio multimedia touchscreen, which was $720. And here is that touchscreen. It is currently off right now, but you can see it is significantly bigger than I think the 8-inch is the one that you get if you don't have this upgraded one. So I think this was a nice upgrade. At first I thought, it might be too big, but you kind of get used to it when you're driving. So this is the 14-inch screen. Up next, we have the TRD Off-Road Upgrade Package with a 5-foot bed that comes with 8-way power adjustable front seats, leather trimmed heated steering wheel, the JBL premium audio with JBL Flex portable speaker, pre-wired auxiliary switches, integrated trailer brake control, and power horizontal rear window. So first off, we have the 8-way power adjustable front seats controlled by these switches. Next, we have the leather trimmed heated steering wheel. And the button for this is right here. This is what turns on the heated steering wheel. Next is the upgraded JBL audio system. As you can see, the speaker actually comes out as a Bluetooth speaker, so you literally can just take it with you. And it just plops back in there. And another thing worth mentioning, behind this seat right here, there is a subwoofer if you have the upgraded audio system. Up next are these pre-wired auxiliary switches, which actually feel really nice to press. I think that's actually the first time I've ever pressed them. So these come pre-wired, so if you need light bars, ditch lights, anything like that, you have 3 different auxiliaries where you're not going to have to drill a hole into something and then have an actual switch. This is all pre-wired. And then up next, you have the trailer brake right here. So this is whenever you're towing something. And up next is the power horizontal rear window. So you just press that button and it opens up that back window that you can see there. Next on the list here, we have premium paint, $425. Do I think that this paint was worth an extra $425? Absolutely. I love this color. So yeah, definitely worth the extra charge. All right, so next up is the black aluminum running boards. That was $1,400. Does have the TRD, which is really cool. On both sides. It's nice and thick. It does kind of get in the way when you're getting in and out of the vehicle. Next up is Toyota Guard Platinum. So it's essentially 2 extra oil changes, tire rotations, car side assistance, all that stuff, and exterior paint and interior protector. So next up is the clear paint protection door package. It is on the door edge guards, door cups, and rear bumper. So as you can see right here, this is the edge guards. There's this plastic that's on here as well. This piece of plastic that runs down the door. That's what those are. And we have the black exhaust tip, which was $159. This is what it looks like. Obviously, you know, it's dirty right now. But that's what the black tip looks like. Up next is the black Tacoma tailgate inserts. Now I do have to say, this is actually one of my favorite things the truck came with. I do really like the way the black lettering looks on the tailgate. And last but not least, the ball mount and trailer ball, which is this. Don't really think it's worth the extra money. You could just get one from Amazon, but that's the final thing it came with. So with everything said and done, what was worth it and what wasn't? The upgraded 14-inch screen, yes, that was worth it. The off-road package with the heated front seats, leather trimmed steering wheel, the upgraded audio system, was that worth $4,000? I think if it would have included the leather seats, it would have been worth $4,000. Now to get the leather seats, it's an $8,000 package, which you get, you know, cameras, you know, you get other stuff as well. I don't think it's worth $8,000. That's why I didn't get it. I do think this is kind of pricey for what you get for $4,000, just these things. With leather seats, that would have been great. But at the end of the day, I'm glad I got it. And in the winter time, I'm definitely going to be glad I got it. Was the premium paint worth it? Absolutely. I love the color Solar Octane. I think that's a really cool color. That was definitely worth the upcharge. The running boards for $1,500, while I do like them, in my opinion, they are not worth $1,500. There's plenty of other aluminum running boards you could buy from third-party companies or off Amazon for, you know, $500, $600, $700 that may be better suited. So I don't think it was worth $1,500 for that. The Toyota Guard Platinum, is that worth it? I don't know. I'm still kind of on the fence. I don't know. That's a tough one. The clear paint protection, I guess that's worth $250. It'll keep you from dinging the doors, especially if you have kids or you park in tight places. The black exhaust tip, $159. I don't think it's worth $159. I think it's pretty cool. I have seen people that literally just spray paint their exhaust with spray paint they buy from Lowe's. That's black, and it essentially looks the same from a distance. So yeah, for $160, I would say skip the black exhaust tip. Now for the black Tacoma letters, is it worth $149? I think so. I think it's really cool. They're nice thick letterings. It makes it really stand out. So I do think it's worth $150 for the tailgate inserts. Now the ball mount with trailer ball, is that worth $120? No. I think you could definitely get that off Amazon or, you know, even AutoZone or anywhere like that for cheaper. So that's everything that it came with. I do think the majority of it, the stuff it came with, is helpful. I do like the upgrade package. Would have loved leather seats, but I'm not paying $8,000 for that. But yeah, so that's everything that came on my truck.